Marketing agencies, freelancers, and business owners, how would you like our RoboMarketer AI agent trained on $10 million in ad spend to set up, manage, and optimize your Facebook ad campaigns on autopilot for free? Create your free RoboMarketer account now in less than 60 seconds. No credit card required. Here's how RoboMarketer works in just 3 steps. Step 1. Build your RoboMarketer IQ brain. Set up your personalized knowledge base with detailed information on your products, customer avatar, Facebook ad account data, and target KPIs and goals, which will be utilized to custom tailor your AI agent RoboMarketer for your specific business and preferences. Step 2. AI-powered Facebook ad campaign creation. RoboMarketer will automatically generate pre-optimized Facebook ad campaigns based on its cumulative learnings from $10 million in ad spend that are guaranteed to outperform any human media buyer you could possibly hire for $100,000 or more per year. Step 3. Superhuman campaign performance auto optimization. RoboMarketer will leverage its superhuman AI-powered data analysis capabilities to analyze historical campaign data and automatically perform contextual, data-driven optimizations to supercharge your campaign performance. RoboMarketer replaces an entire $300,000 per year marketing team with even better performance guaranteed. RoboMarketer can write better industry-specific ad copy than any $50,000 per year human copywriter. RoboMarketer can analyze data better than any $50,000 per year human data analyst. RoboMarketer can set up, manage, and optimize Facebook ad campaigns better than any $50,000 per year human media buyer. RoboMarketer is truly the world's first all-in-one autonomous AI agent marketer, and we want to prove it to you. Try RoboMarketer for free by clicking the link below and creating your free RoboMarketer account in less than 60 seconds. No credit card required. RoboMarketer will only be available for free for a limited time, so if interested, make sure to create your free RoboMarketer account now. No credit card required.